affected you directly, but indirectly, all our lives have taken quite a turn. They have gone more digital and less offline than ever. If you are working, some of you may be loaded with work. Some may find themselves more idle than ever, and some others may be a little bit tied between both some work and some free time. But one thing is common for all of us. We're spending more time online than we have before. Have you ever thought about doing this for a primary or secondary source of income? So here are 10 ways to make money using these resources on the web. Number 1. Freelancing. Freelancing has been and remains a popular way to earn money online. Did you know that India has one of the largest freelance workforces globally? As a freelancer, you can offer your services to any number of firms or independent employers at the same time for a fixed period and a fee. Of course, you can only do this if you're not already contractually bound to another firm. According to a 2019 PayPal survey, freelancers in India on an average earn about Rs 19 lakh per annum. Graphic designing, architecture, content writing, digital marketing and many more options are available online. Look up the websites and job portals which are offering these freelance jobs. Just create an account, browse through the listings and apply for whatever seems suitable to you. You can also spread the word in your circles and networks. Moving on, number 2, teaching online. If you are a subject expert, you can learn by tutoring people online. There are many websites for this as well. Just create a profile, list the subjects or classes you want to teach, how experienced or qualified you are, etc. Some platforms may offer flexible and convenient timings as well. Most portals ask you to apply by filling a form, then providing a teaching demonstration. Once you're selected, documentation and profile creation is done, followed by the training and induction webinar. Finally, you will be listed as a teacher and can start conducting your sessions online. Beginners can make around Rs 200 per hour, which can go up to Rs 500 even with more experience and expertise. Number 3, virtual assistantship. Virtual assistants or VAs are skilled, home-based professionals offering companies and entrepreneurs administrative support. They work remotely with clients to manage those aspects of the business that the clients themselves are too busy to take care of. A VA can choose to work with an employer or set up their own business or even go for freelancing. These are some of the major areas of work, and as you can see, there are a lot of options to avail. Becoming a VA can entail some degree of training depending on your qualifications. But organizational and time management skills are of course a must and should be strong. There are again various sites you can sign up on. On an average, VAs can earn in the range of Rs 400 to Rs 2000 per hour. Number 4. Blogging. Did you know that thousands of blogs are registered daily globally? Instead of letting it be a hobby, you can make blogging a source of income. You can start a blog either by creating one through WordPress or Tumblr, which requires zero investment, or go for a self-hosted blog. In case of the latter, you will have to incur some expenditure on domain name and server hosting space that can cost you between Rs 3,000 to Rs 5,000 a year. But self-hosted blogs do have the added advantage that they allow you to personalize your website. You may monetize the blogs through ads, product reviews and so on. Maybe even sponsors. You need to remember these things. Make a lot of good content, have lots of patience. A solid blog takes time to set up and take off. Number 5. Content writing. This role is probably the easiest to be found online on platforms. Blogging is actually a subset of content writing. You can find internships, part-time and full-time roles online. Depending on the quality of the articles, you get paid. You may be asked to work upon articles adhering to guidelines as well. Develop a niche in your area of expertise and strengthen that domain to increase the revenue stream that you generate. Further bolster the process by maintaining a social media presence so that you can keep sharing your articles regularly on, say, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. Number 6. Social media strategy and management. In addition to keeping your social networks intact, platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Snapchat can also be used to make money. Now with digital media booming, so many companies and popular brands have business accounts on these platforms. They pay social media strategists to further boost the popularity of their products. Creativity is a must to create viral content and enhance brand value. Plus, there are so many channels to tap into. Remember, social media needs dedicated time and energy. Hence, you need to create and share posts regularly and interact with your followers on a regular basis. So here's a tip for you. Brush up your social media skills, explore apps and their features, become savvy yourself before you apply for such a position. Number 7. Web designing. Not all business owners are tech savvy, but the need of the hour is to have a website of your own. Those with a knack for all things tech, especially related to websites, can help small businesses set up their own websites and earn from it. Moreover, websites need frequent updation and definitely maintenance, which could be additional income for you later on as well. Coding and web designing are the two essential ingredients in setting up websites. Depending on the client and job, a single project can fetch you anywhere between Rs 20,000 to a lakh. Number 8. Translating. Are you multilingual? Then why not use your dialect to your monetary advantage? Websites and job portals offer you a platform to be a professional translator or a language expert. By translating a document or two from one language to another, you can register and start bidding on such jobs and get paid in the range of ₹1 to ₹5 per word, which could even go up to as high as ₹10 per word for some languages. Number 9. YouTube. If you find your comfort in front of the camera than behind it, start a YouTube channel to post your videos and monetize them as well. Your channel becomes your blog, only with a different style of content. Everything from cooking shows to political debates can find many takers on YouTube. Choose a category or topic on which you have sufficient knowledge and wish to make videos on. Make sure it's one that strikes a chord with majority. As your channel gains popularity and subscribers, your earning potential grows. The payment one gets is based on every 1,000 views. You can check out this link from Google itself to know more about YouTube monetization and the criteria you need to follow when you become a YouTube partner. And lastly, number 10, P2P lending. A peer-to-peer or P2P platform is a marketplace for money lending activities in a more organized and structured manner. Individuals get loans directly from other individuals who are willing to and have the capacity to lend. Now, P2P platforms are more attractive for lenders or potential lenders from the interest point of view, but if you plan to lend, understand the platform you choose and how it works. Since this is an unsecured loan without any face-to-face interactions, be aware of the associated risks too. Currently, the interest earned ranges from 13 to 30%. We hope you got a few ways to pass your time and also make money out of it and got to learn something from this video.